Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make medium rare steak incredibly tender. First, choose a high-quality cut with good marbling, like a ribeye or New York strip, for the best flavor and texture. Allow your steak to sit out for about 30 minutes to reach room temperature, ensuring even cooking throughout. Finally, pat both sides completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful, crispy crust when searing. Next, let's talk about searing. A heavy cast iron pan is ideal for retaining and distributing heat evenly. Add a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed, and heat it until it just begins to smoke. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan and sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes, creating a rich, flavorful crust. This initial high heat locks in the juices and develops complex flavors. To achieve that perfect medium-rare doneness, precision is key. Use an instant-read meat thermometer, inserting it into the thickest part of the steak, away from any bone. You're aiming for an internal temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit for a true medium-rare. For even cooking, flip your steak every 30 to 60 seconds after the initial sear, until it reaches the desired temperature. Finally, the most overlooked but crucial step, resting your steak. Once it reaches temperature, remove it from the pan and place it on a cutting board. Tent it loosely with aluminum foil for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the muscle fibers to relax and reabsorb the juices, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and moist. Slicing too early will cause all those delicious juices to run out.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.